In a sunny meadow buzzing with life, lived a tiny horsefly named Hugo. Unlike others who zipped around carelessly, Hugo always followed the rules of the meadow. One day, a shiny coin dropped from a hiker's pocket onto a leaf. All the insects buzzed around, excited to claim it. But Hugo said, "It's not ours. We should return it." The bugs laughed. What can one coin do for a human? Still, Hugo flew after the hiker and dropped the coin in his path. The hiker noticed and smiled, picking it up and whispering, "Lucky day." Back in the meadow, the bugs were amazed by Hugo's honesty. From that day on, everyone in the meadow tried to be a little more like Hugo. Moral: honesty builds trust and earns respect. Thanks for watching.